So it looks like I fixed the oil leak, just a couple of loose nuts and bolts, and it is now fine. Yeah, that's where the oil leak was coming from. You see the oil. Yeah, that should be enough. Oh, and by the way, this is a new thermostat housing that I replaced, but it looks alright though. So we shouldn't overheat right now. I just have to do this short trip to make sure I'm not leaking anymore, so that next week when I'm going to the beach, I'm gonna be all set. We almost made it to Asda's. Oh, she pulls like a train. Damn. I need to chill. She feels so much different right now. Got a new thermostat housing fitted. I'm gonna do the gearbox, drive shaft, bearings, whatever. I'm just gonna see now if I'm gonna crunch in reverse. Might not have to do the seals. Let's go, bro. Nice one. Oh! No way, I don't think I'm leaking anything. Let's see. Clutch felt so nice. Obviously I have to clean everything again. God, she's so clean. I mean, she's so dry. Yeah, it looks like I'm having to do the seals anyway. Well, that's gonna happen tomorrow. Engine very happy. Let's give her a wash, because she deserves it. And for the first time, when I'm washing my car, I'm gonna be leaving the engine running. That guy really sorted out the gearbox. It only pisses me off here, because I thought I had to redo my timing chain. You know, the gasket, do all the seals. I basically just do the whole timing chain kit. I texted the guy and said, look, listen, I'm gonna have to do this, yeah. How much you gonna quote me? The guy never replied. So I don't know. They seemed alright though when I went to see them. That's the whole thing. But I don't get it. Why would you not get back to me? Especially if I want to spend money with you. Then I bought, you know, the timing chain, you know, whatever kit, yeah. So when you do the timing chain, you need to buy a kit. I'll show you in the video. I don't know exactly what it is or what is it called, but yeah, there is a kit, yeah, so you can do it properly. I bought that, and yesterday when I had a look, it turned out to be a few loose nuts and bolts. Tightening those up, don't expect them, and now she's not leaking anymore. And the only thing that I need doing right now is the gearbox seals, the 2 gearbox seals, and that's it. I have a faultless Insignia. Pray to God the car wash thing is working. You see, I never buy petrol from Asda. That's the worst petrol you're gonna get. £3. Well, that's the thing. I don't know if it's gonna work, but get myself a shower as well. I know I have to do my gearbox seals, and then we can get back to modding the car. I was gonna buy that diverter valve, which obviously that didn't happen because I have to fix the car first. Now she's alright. I only have to mod it. Gear shifts feel so much better right now. Oh, why am I signaling? Right now it doesn't really look like it's leaking. It's got some residue over there, but I'm gonna clean it again properly with some brake cleaner. gonna check the brake, the gearbox fluid level. Because that's the thing though, he did a really good job, you know, with fixing the gearbox, changing the front crankshaft oil seal. The car feels amazing. If I'm gonna be iffy about something, yeah, the clutch pedal feels a lot stiffer now, like it's much harder to press it down, but it's more precise, and that's what matters. And I guess we're gonna hit traffic, and we are really gonna see if the gearbox is holding up. Fuck it, when the music is gonna start, it's gonna start. I don't care. Can't turn off the engine right now. No way I'm gonna survive this. I'm gonna let him go. Always say thank you when somebody's letting you merge. Right, I think if I'm gonna wait until next week anyway, because my fluid didn't arrive, I think I'm gonna order the braided brake lines. No, those is one to replace the brake fluid. Yeah, I have to replace the brake fluid too. Why not? So I'll do the brake fluid like I always said. I've been saying I'll do the brake fluid like for the longest. I think next week I'll finally do it. Get the brake lines as well. And I think that will be it for now. I wish my music was working right now. I need to buy something else, because you know, every now and then, yeah, when everything works so well, yeah, this stupid stereo is not giving me no audio, man, so I can't listen to music. I have to think about what I'm gonna do next week, because I wanted to go South End. But I'll go, man, I'll go, I don't care. I'll definitely go. The car is pretty much ready. It just needs some fine tuning, and we're all good. I was this close from selling this car, I'm telling you. It was giving me so much headache. Now it's working. Now she's working fine again. That's the thing with Vauxhall. If you try to sell them, yeah, no one's gonna take them off you. I've seen ads here with Astros, GTCs, Insignias. They always start at like 6-7 grand, yeah. Then a few months later, yeah, you check the prices, it's gone down by a couple of grand. Still no one buys them. And you do the car, go check, yeah, there's nothing wrong with them. Ooh, that felt nice. I would be scared to ride a moped, I swear down. Because the thing is, yeah, you can do everything by the book, like literally everything by the book, and then somebody's not looking in the mirror, and that's it, you're done. I know this, yeah, because I've been riding my bike for the longest to go to work, and the amount of times, yeah, I've always been, you know, being hit by someone just because they didn't check their mirror. It's unbelievable. Thank you. You see, just what I did now, I made sure that the guy was waiting for me to go into the left lane, and then I went to the left lane. You just don't, you know, like magically spawn into the left lane and expect people to see you. I definitely want to let that lorry drive ahead of me. I really shouldn't have stopped right next to it. Hope I'm not in his blind spot. I don't think I am. I just drove. You see, these people are honking and they don't even know why they're honking. Now I'm in a fucking dangerous spot, man, because you can't see me. I need to merge quick. Alright, let me put my weight down. I got this. Why is that guy looking at me? There's something wrong with my bonnet. Bro, you got me paranoid, bro. Why are you looking at my car like that? There's nothing wrong with it, though. I definitely latched my bonnet. Is something wrong with my car?
No, I was looking at your indicators.
Oh, I thought I left my bonnet open, man. You got me paranoid.
No, I was looking at your indicators on now, but I was looking at the way that it was going.
Oh, I put them upside down on purpose.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
It looks cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, we looked at that and then we're checking to see what make the car was.
Thank you. I wish my music was working right now. Why are you not playing music? I'm gonna get a new unit, I swear down, you pissed me off so much the past few years. Yeah, you're looking at me like that, I'm gonna fucking chuck you in the bin. You'll see. Shouldn't have gone for the cheapest head unit. Alright, let me show you what the guy was talking about. Let me put the hazards on. See? That's upside down. It's supposed to be the other way around, but I think it looks way nicer this way.